Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox brand new smart bracelet. So this is a new smart bracelet. It's more for sport and fitness. So it has different options. For example, sport mode, step, heart rate, message, sleep monitor, heart rate, calorie burn. So it has a 0.96 inch display. It has a 90 mAh battery. It lasts 5 to 7 days. And it supports Android and iOS 5.0 or above Android or 8.0 and above iOS. So let's begin with unboxing. So in the box is user manual and the watch. This smartwatch is USB type charger and doesn't come with a charger cable. So let's take a look. Here is a sensor and the sign for USB charger. If you pull this gently, it's gonna come loose and we can see the charging point. So here are some of the function, and in the main page it has Bluetooth, right up the battery, data, today, date, and clock, and the steps. So this smartwatch have 3 different main page. To change them, just press and hold, and it will activate the second interface. Same, you just press and hold for the third one, and the first one again. So here's the steps, the distance or kilometer, burn calories, training, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, message, more option. So first you have steps, and you can see the steps or distance you made. In the training, press and hold is gonna show you different sports. Here we have steps. We have running, walk, cycling, climbing, and this was all. So if you activate for walking, it's gonna show how many steps you did, the heart rate, and the time. Same for other things. It's gonna show the steps, heart rate, and time. Here you're gonna see the burned calories instead of steps. Next we have heart rate. So here is gonna show the result of heart rate. We have blood pressure, blood oxygen, message is gonna show our message after we connect with our phone, which we're gonna do in the next video. And here we have more, press and hold. We have stopwatch, find phone, and the information of the smartwatch. So let's give it a try for some of the options. Now it's look good, and let's test it. Let's go to heart rate. And let's wait for the test. So now it's starting to show the real-time heart rate. Now we can go and test the blood pressure. We have to wait a little bit to see the result. Now the result is done and it vibrates to tell you the result. Now let's test the blood oxygen. Same as before, you have to wait a little bit. It vibrates and it tells you the result. Well guys, this was all for this smart bracelet, and to see more please subscribe our channel. In the next video we're going to show you how to connect this smart bracelet with your phone.